So guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about the nature of language. And if you understand the nature of language, so it will really help you to learn speak English. So how to understand the nature of language? If you want to learn the understand of the nature of language, so you can see the small born child. When he comes in the world, he doesn't know any language. So how to communicate? When he's feeling appetite or when he's feeling any pain, so they are started crying. When he's feeling happy or joyful moment, so they are smiling. So they are expressing by this way, non-verbal communication. They are doing these things. So how to speak any languages? So in initial days, he is starting observing their elders. They are listening them, they are watching them. Okay, they are observing them, and they are try to speak up. They try to speak up, and these things keep on doing. After 1 years, at least hardly speak a single word. Might be that time he is not speak audibly, but they are trying to speak. After 2 years, they are able to speak single word, and he speak audibly. After 2 years, after 2.5 years. Okay, so after 4 years, they are able to speak full sentences, but still they are not audible. So after 5 years, he speak very well, and he can speak full sentences. And around 5 years or 5.5 years, he able to speak. He able to speak, and he can express by speaking. He can communicate by he is able to communicate verbally. So this thing is happened. So for become a speaker, he takes around 5 years. So same thing is happened with us also. If we want to learn speaking English, so we can also follow these things. We have to observing them, listening them, watching them, and speaking them. But we want instant result. We won't learn speaking English in a 7 day or 10 days. We want to become a millionaire in a overnight. This thing is not happened. This thing is not happened. There are many videos available on YouTube who said 7 days you will become a fluent in English. This thing is not happened. So please understand this first. So same things you also have to follow, then you are able to speak English. Okay guys, and what is the difference between the us and the small born child? Look at, we are adult, and we are easily understand we are easily understand to anything. If you want to learn anything, so we can understand very easily. But if you instead of you are talking about the child, they are not understand anything too much is as soon as. But we are able to easily understand anything. But when small child making a mistake while speaking, so so people are not laughing at them. People are laughing at them, but they are not children are not care about that. But someone laughing on us, so our ego got affected. People are laughing on me, so then we are stop learn speaking this. So this thing is happened. So have some patience guys. You just follow the nature. It will take time. It will take 1 year, 2 years. Okay, so you don't too much worried about that. You have to some patience. Just keep on practicing, and one day you will become fluent speaker. But important thing is that you have to follow, you have to do these things, you have to follow the nature. It will happen. It will, I mean, you will become a good you will become speak English. You don't need too much worry about that. But important thing is that you have patience. It will take more time. It's up to you how much you are practicing. So keep on practicing and and just do practicing speaking English. Okay guys, so I think it's time to wind up. So this is it, and if you like my video, so please subscribe and press the bell icon, and do share my video, you'll love someone. Till then guys, bye bye.